Have you ever wondered what comes in the box of wonders? This is Maniology's holiday countdown box for Christmas, holiday, winter, whatever theme you're going for. Maniology is a nail stamping company. They do wonderful nail art that I love using in all of my manis. So I'm going to unbox this countdown box. It's currently a mystery, so if you don't want the mystery spoiled for you, I would just log off now and click the link in the description box below so that you can get your box before it sells out. And don't forget to use affiliate code CAROL10 to save 10% and save yourself some money off of your box. So the box of wonders is described as get ready for a season full of delight with creativity and manicures that shine so bright. A box full of mystery and wonders to share, a collection of festive gifts beyond compare. I love how they rhyme their descriptions on their boxes, their countdown boxes. So get ready as I'm going to show you all the goodies that come in the box. Alright, so here is the beautiful box of wonders. I already love the packaging so much, and I think the box gives you a preview of what this theme is going to be. I'm getting 1960s, early 70s vintage vibes, like mid-century modern, retro kind of vibes with the aesthetic that we have all on here. I love it. I actually have some Christmas cards that give me these kind of vibes. I have the originals, and I just make photocopies and share them with friends and family. So without further ado, let's get in to this beautiful box. Welcome to Christmas Town is beautifully stamped on the interior of the box. How cute would this be inside of a frame? I saw someone do that in the Maniology Facebook community group where they took the Halloween box, flipped it inside out, and framed this. So I love that people are preserving the artwork because it's so beautiful. It also comes with a beautiful sticker that I definitely intend on keeping with 3 little angels around the Christmas tree. And it says Holly Jolly. And you have Maniology's signature M logo right there. And here is the countdown book. Inside the countdown book, it usually tells you what each day has. So here's a little C, it says day 12, day 6, with a cute little something rhythmic, like has rhyming or poetic. I really like the descriptors that they have in these books, and I really appreciate that they do this. So I'm going to be reading from this book before I show you each item in the box. Look at the gorgeous tissue paper. Oh my god, the packaging is beyond belief. How beautiful. I mean, you already know one item right there, what that is. We don't know what it looks like, but yeah, let's tuck that right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull everything out and go through each item one by one while reading from the book. Again, this is a spoiler. If you bought this for someone as a gift, or you're getting it as a gift for you, or you want to follow along the countdown on the days that are appropriate until Christmas, then I recommend you just click out of this video now before I spoil it for you. So starting off with the countdown book, the very first page has a beautiful snowman couple right here. I love it. And the first page says, in an old quaint town where snowflakes fall, strings of light twinkle, brightening all. A season of joy where hearts are light. Christmas Town shines on through the winter night. Day 1. Welcome to Christmas Town where joy is found. Warm greetings, songs, and holiday sounds. Offering smiles, hugs, and festive delights. Counting down the hours until the big night. So day 1's item is a nail stamping plate. It'll have a cute little sticker on each item telling you which day it is. So let's unveil the stamping plate. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love that. The Merry Christmas. Oh, the little martini glasses. And the television set. This is such an iconic design. The stamps. Stamps are huge for me. Like, I've gotten a lot of like orders for stamped designs where it looks like a postage stamp and there's something in it. So I really like that they have this. How beautiful is this stamping plate? And it's like at a ski resort. And people are sitting here skating around a rink. Oh, these are so beautiful. Merry and bright, season's greetings. I love all of this. Day 2. Fireplaces glow yellow and bright. Logs crackle and burn with all their might. Hot cocoa and games under gentle hue until the arrival of Santa's crew. Day 2's item is a stamping polish. So I'm going to open this up and show you what color it is. Ooh. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting for retro mod vibes. This is called Yuletide Yellow. Such a good name for it. Oh, this is the perfect like mango-y color. Oh, I love this. I like having gel polishes in this color, so I'm glad that I have a stamping polish to match. Day 3. Deck the halls with wreaths and trees, candles and stockings, all to please. Ornaments twinkle, lights aglow, every home prepares for the big Christmas show. Day 3's item is another beautiful stamping plate, and can we just admire how beautiful these sleeves are? I love them. So let's unveil the 3rd item. Oh my goodness, this is so classic and perfect. It's really just so traditional. I love that you can stamp the outline of the tree and decide if you want this or this for the interior. I love all the different ornaments. I really hope they have a different ornament plate because I love ornaments. I love all these ornaments. And the classic string lights that so many people love. It's a tried and true design. I love the mid-century little stars they have here. Oh, those are gorgeous. Look at that. All these details are so stunning. Such a great plate. Day 4. Peppermint candies, fresh and sweet. Neighbors share gifts of holiday treats. Freshly baked goods to bring about cheer, filling up bellies until Santa's finally here. Day 4 is another stamping polish. There's a total of 3 in this box, so this will not be the last one. Then I'm going to open this up and show you what color awaits. Ooh, yes, Merry Mint. Yes, this is a great color for the retro vibes. I love that. Oh, such a good green. Such a good green. Day 5. A card of greetings, bold and bright, wishing happy holidays, a joyous sight. With retro flair, the message clear, spreading cheer throughout the year. So day 5 is the crystal clear stamper and scraper set. I love it. These are always unique in the design, so I can't wait to see what this one is. Ooh, oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, let me pull this out. All right, so the scraper and stamper set look like this. So I imagine that the last stamping polish we haven't seen is some kind of red. Day 6, the children play in cottony snow, grabbing for snowballs ready to throw. Until darkness falls, you'll hear them shout, roaring with laughter while school is out. The day 6 item, ooh, what could this be? Oh, it's a cotton grabber. You can use this to grab cotton balls and then use that to clean your plate so that way you don't have to touch it. I don't know why I just did that. I love it. Oh, that's so cute. I don't have one of these. This is awesome. Day 7. Snow buddies huddle in a wintry scene with eyes of coal and smiles serene. Our frosty friends from the North Pole bringing joy that warms heart and soul. Day 7 is another stamping plate. I know so many of us just love stamping plates and getting the ones in this box. So let's see what comes in this box. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh, I'm here for this. All of these patterns. How cute are these patterns? Don't get me wrong, I love the little snowmen. It's giving me Frosty the Snowman vibe. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, Frosty. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, this plate is epic. Oh, it's hard to pick a favorite so far, but this one's definitely leading it for me. I love the patterns. I hope they start coming out with more mid-century products in the future. Day 8. Snow falls gracefully in the winter's calm. A delicate scene with silent song. Glistening softly under glowing lights. Elegant shimmers, gentle and bright. Day 8 is definitely some press-on nails. These are definitely press-on nails. Oh, these are beautiful. What? Oh my goodness. These are stunning. Oh, they're so beautiful. They look even better in person. I love the hollow flakes that they used. Oh, these are stunning. Day 9. Only 4 days till Christmas. The skies are blue, with spirits high in cheerful hues. The air is crisp, the sky calm and serene, brightening the town with magical sheen. What magical sheen could we be brightening our town with today? Oh, it is not the color I was expecting, but ooh, frosty cheer. Okay, yes, it's definitely a must-have. That minty color. Oh, I love this. I love it. Oh, yes. It is the perfect mint color. Literally does not get more perfect than this. Oh, it's perfect. Day 10. The final touch-ups are done. Fine and neat. Details perfect for every home and street. The townspeople eager, smiling ear to ear, dreaming of presents as Christmas draws near. So the day 10 item is a premium nail brush, as we can see written on the packaging here. Let's see what kind of brush awaits us. In that perfect minty color. Oh, and look how their name is just like stamped on there. Ooh. Okay, okay. This is probably like a 5 or 7 millimeter liner brush. It's good for like those fine details. It's a good detailer brush. I love the color that they chose for this. So beautiful, so beautiful. Check the list for tasks at hand, tidy and clean, crossing off every plan. The town is ready with all the tasks in line. Hurry to bed, it's almost time. I think I know what this is. Day 11 looks like some kind of booklet, and it's wrapped up like a present. I think this is either a practice pad or a stinky stamping pad. Yep, it's a practice pad. Oh, that's perfect. And it's still sticky, so you can like use the other side. Okay, this is great. Oh, I love the designs. So you can seriously just like draw whatever you want or stamp on them. So draw or stamp and write the items that you used here down below. Oh, I love this. And then you can peel it off when you're done using it. Oh, this is wonderful. And I like that they have black and white nails. Day 12, I can't believe I'm already on the final day. Oh, it's going by so fast. A silent night, everyone tucked into bed. Visions of stamping plates dance in their head. Definitely dance in our head. Then up on the rooftop, the hooves of reindeer. Santa Claus, he's finally here, is a stamping plate. So let's unveil the beautiful stamping plate. Of course, they got Santa Claus and a reindeer. Oh, I love that. Yes. Oh, it's like Santa's coming down the chimney. I love the little Rudolphs. I say Rudolph, but it's just a reindeer. I don't know if it has a red nose unless I give it a red nose. The mid-century presents. Joy to the world. Oh, I love this stamping plate. So as that ends our day 12, there's a little bit more to tell you. In Christmas Town, before the sunrise, Santa rushes to deliver each home a prize. With twinkling eyes and a gentle cheer, he places his last gift until next year. Through morning sky, the sleigh takes flight. Reindeer gallop through clouds and out of sight. Merry Christmas to all, he shouts from his sleigh, with love and joy until next Christmas Day. Oh, look, they have a little designs that they did. The inspiration. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is so fun. I love seeing how they'd use the other patterns. This is definitely my favorite plate out of all of them. The quiche chic. Yes, I love it. And it comes with a little demonstration of how they did this. And here is the product list, and the asterisks next to the items let you know if it's exclusive to the box, meaning they will not release the item for purchase later on. Whatever doesn't have an asterisk will be released later on. So it seems like the holiday cotton grabber, the glittery nude press-ons, and the holiday detail brush are exclusive to this the box, also the ice cube stamper. It looks like they didn't make a stamping plate exclusive to the box, and I'm honestly surprised. I've put all the items back in their packaging, but I'm just so in love with this box. It was so fun, such a vibe. Thank you, Maniology. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I loved all the items in the box. Thank you, Maniology, for sending me this wonderful gift. I cherish it so much. I'm really into like the retro mod vibes. I love anything that's like 60s, early 70s aesthetic. So this is totally up my alley. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite item in this box. Yee! Oh, I love it so much. I can't wait to do manis with it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.